Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is March 25th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be March 26th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some levels that we're looking to play off of, and then potentially those levels can hold into the US session as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. First, we're going to start with S&P 500. You could see we did have a nice bounce from our level of support, 39.0125 as a nice level to continue up into our resistance of 39.1625. This is an area that we may potentially get the market to stall and then try to move slightly back down from there into these 3900s. If not, we will see the market try to get back up into 39.25 area as resistance. So we'll look, we're going to see first if this market can, or if this price action can hold this resistance here and then try to pull down into support at 3900. If we continue to hold this support though, we should see the market try to retest and potentially break through. So this is what we're looking for. More of another major area that may turn into some support is sitting between these 38.92s and 38.85.75 as the actual levels of support underneath. So we could see the market get down here and bounce, or potentially even get over here and bounce back to the upside from there. So we'll see what happens off those levels. Above, again, 39.16, gonna hit those 39.25s as a target level. Above that too, we're gonna look for those 39.30 0.50s, 39.37.75, and then 39.43.50 as resistance. Below this, we do got some supports, but we'll see underneath 85 turns into 38.77.25, and then below that is going to be 38.56 as an interesting level for me. We may have a slight level in between that, which is right here at 38.67.75. I'm actually going to plot that one up there for us, see if we can actually get the market to catch some support there if it does come down to that level. Now, with that said, let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P, give you guys a closer look into what's going on. So again, you can see we're right up against our resistance wall here on S&P 500. We're going to see if this price holds these 16s or if we break right through it. If we hold it again, that's going to be our potential opportunity to hold that and then come right back down. So we'll see what happens there. If not, we're going to pop, maybe break through and continue up. It could pop head fake and then get back underneath these 16s and then look for the downside move from there. So we'll see a couple opportunities that we may have, but got to give it some time to work itself out, get that price action movement, structure itself out, and then look to trade it from there. So we'll see what happens off this area. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly for you guys. Gold, you can see some wider levels here coming into a general area of support right here at 1721.2. Do want to see if the market can continue to hold this. If it can, maybe a potential move to the upside there, right back into our level of resistance, 29.5. If we do get up through that area, we are looking at some slight resistance above that 232. Above this, we could look for the market to come back, retest, and then continue higher into 36.9 and potentially 39.7 as levels of supports and resistances up at that area. Now, 1721 underneath this level, we may end up dropping, but this is going to be one of the major levels I'm looking to see if the market holds. Again, if it does, I will probably look for that upside from there to continue the trade back to the resistance. I want to at least see maybe a double top right in this area, fail to get through, and then come back down to continue that downward move. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P 500. Give you guys a closer look at this one here. So you can see coming in right now, do want to see the support come right in this area, maybe a little bit lower, bounce, get that nice bounce off, and then try to push it back to the upside from there. So we'll see. That is going to be my one of my main trades I'm looking to try to take for the London session. So we'll see if that actually happens, and then get a push maybe into this mid area of 24, and then above that 28, 29 for that resistance to come in. You can see starting to play out a little bit, so may get a nice opportunity to capture some moves to the upside for that. But other than that, guys, that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking these videos. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube and we will get back to you guys. Other than that, you guys take care. Have a great night. Trade well.